Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically reply to comments in Facebook groups using an automation tool. First, we need to add the Facebook accounts we want to use for replying into the software. Next, we'll add the comment content. Go to the Content Manager, create a content category, then add new content. Start by selecting the category to save the content, then choose the content type as comment. After that, enter any title, type in your comment content, and finally, you can also upload an image or video if you'd like. Once the content is ready, go to the comment feature and select Reply to Comments. Set up the comment configuration and choose the content you just added to the software. In the configuration, select the option to reply to comments by group ID. After finishing the setup, choose the account and hit Start. If you'd like to have a tool like this, please contact me. My information is in the comment section below. Wish you an enjoyable time watching the video, and see you again in the next one.